You guys got to see what's inside this package. I started opening it up and I was like, I've got to stop. I want to share this guys with you. So get our box open. This is barbecue, but it's not pulled pork barbecue. This is Kurvball Whiskey. It is a barbecue whiskey. They reached out and they're like, hey, can we send you some of our whiskey to try? And I was like, absolutely. But their presentation, I've never seen anything like this. The presentation inside of this box is unmatched. So first off, they have a menu in here, and this menu, it is drink and cocktail ideas. So awesome that it is a menu. Second, they wrote me a little note on a receipt for like a restaurant. That is awesome. It gives that little barbecue shack vibe. Got a poster with some more drinks. Threw some hats at me. You guys know I'm all about the hats. Some stickers, pins, coasters, and a patch. That's cool as shit. But here's the cool shit. They sent me a to-go box of barbecue. Hear me out, hear me out. So open up the to-go box. It's got recipe card, and an information card inside. Bag of Lay's chips. A Coke in a cup. And their barbecue. This is the Kurvball barbecue whiskey. It's got shot glasses, and of course you gotta have a toothpick, a moist towelette, and some silverware for my cocktail. I love this presentation. I swear, like I said, I had to share this. We also have another package that is wrapped like meat from the butcher. It's got the twine, it's got the wrapping paper. Again, presentation. They killed it. But all things must come to an end, so let's get this packaging open and check it out. I need you guys to let me know what you think some of this Kurvball whiskey would be good with. Barbecue whiskey, I've never thought about it until they reached out. So I don't even know what to do with it. But we're gonna try all kinds of things with it. I'm gonna have to find some more of this because I feel like we're gonna go through this really quick. Cheers, guys.